Hi everyone, Rainy Bastarash here with the American School of Hypnosis. And today's video is about, can you make money as a hypnotherapist? I get plenty of people calling and emailing me asking me this question. So in today's video, I'm going to answer that question and show you how. But before I do, if you're new to this channel, I'd like to welcome you and invite you to subscribe on the link below so we can bring you more videos like this to help you to be successful and, most importantly, to be able to help others. So just go ahead and click on that subscribe below and click on the bell so you'll be notified automatically when we have new videos coming up. And also, if you're interested in learning more about hypnosis or taking our live online Zoom course, click on the link below this video because we have a live 6-day training coming up on weekends very shortly, and we have an early bird special savings on the tuition going on right now. So just click on the link below and let's get started. So, can you make money as a hypnotist? Lots of people ask me that. Now, that's kind of a loaded question. For me to answer that without knowing you would be very difficult. I know I can make money as a hypnotherapist, and the people I know that they can do it because I know them. I know their work habits, their work ethic. So rather than getting into yes, you can, no, you can't, and just, I guess you could say, blowing air in the sky, all right? What I'm going to do is we're going to get into the math of it. So if I get into the nitty gritty, into the math of it, then you can figure it out on your own whether you're able to do this or not. So in order to get into the math of it, I've actually written a book called How to Make $100,000 a Year as a Hypnosis Practitioner. And actually this book shows you 5 different ways of doing it if you don't want to do it just with hypnosis sessions. So I'm going to be going through the math in the section on hypnosis sessions. So let me go ahead and get my notes up here because I don't have this all memorized. So here's how it works. As an example, if you were going to do hypnosis sessions and you charged $150 a session as an example, that's very feasible. We charge $250 a session at this time. So some people charge $150, some people charge more, but I want to keep this as a, I guess you could say, a reasonable or a lowball example in case that's what you want to do. So you charge $150 a session. So we're going to start with your goal and move backwards. So let's say your goal is to make $100,000 a year, and working backwards from there, $100,000 divided by $150, which is the cost per session, is 666.66 sessions a year. So to round it off, 666, actually I didn't round it off in the book, 0.66 sessions divided by 12 months is 55.55 sessions a month. So about 55 sessions a month you'd have to do. Now 55 sessions divided by 4 weeks, because there's usually about 4 weeks in a month, equals 13.8 sessions a week. And 13.8 sessions a week divided by a 5-day work week is 2.72 sessions a day. And we'll round that up to 3 sessions a day. So looking at it that way, if you do 3 sessions a day, 5 days a week, you can make $100,000 a year. Now, keep in mind, we're talking about 12 months with 4 weeks in a month, which comes up to 48 weeks. Now, we know there's 52 weeks in a year, so that gives you 4 weeks off. So do you have what it takes to be able to do 3 sessions a day, 5 days a week, and have 4 weeks a year off? 3 sessions a day isn't that much. You can actually do 5, 6, even 7 sessions a day, depending on, again, your work regimen and how many clients you have coming to you. Now, keep in mind, some more math here, that does not mean you're going to have 13 different people a week, even though I said 13 sessions, or 55 different people a month. I said sessions. Now, the average client that comes to see you, the way we teach you is they're going to come see you for a minimum of 4 sessions. So divide that by 4, and it actually comes up to only 14 clients a month. That's really not much, 14 clients a month. So now, can you make money as a hypnosis practitioner? Well, it's up to you. What I tell our people is that you're a marketer first and a hypnotist second. In other words, if you don't go out and get clients, they're not going to come. Part of our training, we do a lot of work on marketing, on lead generating. So you're going to have all the knowledge of what to do, of how to get leads. And of course, hypnosis is a very interesting topic. And if you market properly, when you speak to people about what you do very briefly and walk away, they're going to go, whoa, 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 come back here. You do hypnosis? What kind of things do you do it for? Can you help me to quit smoking? Can you help me with this? Think about it. How many people do you know that can or would be your client? How many people do you know that can use to improve in at least one area of their life? Smoking, weight loss, stress reduction, nail biting, bedwetting, anything that you can do normally, you can do better with hypnosis. So that's just the numbers, and I'm going to go back to, can you do it? Well, if you're willing to work, if you're willing to speak to people and tell them what you do for a living, and follow some of the instructions that we give you on how to do the marketing, it's entirely up to you. But the thing is, it's a mental game. Do you believe you can do it? Do you have what it takes? You're the only one that knows if you have the energy, the gumption to get out there and work. Okay, it's not a job for lazy people, but you can see just by the numbers of it, it's not a very difficult things to do for the numbers. Now, if you don't want to do just hypnosis sessions, well, you can do a lot less sessions and make the same amount of money if you create your own MP3s and CDs and sell them online. Maybe you want to go on to be a hypnosis instructor and teach people, which is you're only doing a class maybe once a month, once every 2 or 3 months, but you're getting a lot of students at once. Maybe you'll want to do comedy hypnosis. So there's a lot of other ways that you can make money in addition to doing online or live hypnosis sessions. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you to understand or to answer your questions on what it takes to make money and to make a very good living as a hypnosis practitioner. So if you'd like to learn more about being a hypnosis practitioner, if you'd like to see our upcoming live class, virtual class here on Zoom, or to take one of our home study courses, click on the link right below this video, and I look forward to seeing you in class. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.